Q services, Q washers, eBay and YouTube. So what I've simply got here is the Yanmar L100 electric start or pull start. Got the electric start button here. Machine set up like normal, flow and return, so when you let go of the trigger the machine will return back out of the dump side. Water inlet at the bottom, high pressure outlet at the top side. Prime frost and isolation valve, so every time you finish off using this machine that valve should be open. Don't matter if it's electric start, it just takes all the strain off the system. If you come to store it away for a period of time, that system then it's got frost protection. Left all open so the whole system is open. Belt drive, like normal. Diesel machines, belt drive because of a different type of torque. So when we do our belt drive system, guard on there. Battery box, exhaust, like I say, this is the Yanmar L100, so the pump itself is only running at 1450 RPMs, WS201 pump, and like I say that's 200 bar at 15 litres, suction tub filter, dump return pipe, high pressure hose going to Lance 10 metre standard. Thank you very much. Q services, Q washers, eBay and YouTube.